Hi everyone. I want to show Georgi apartment in Mabalakat. He already moved to Mabalakat, center of Mabalakat. Not in Vadao. I sent him to the center of Mabalakat. He live already maybe 1 week in Mabalakat. His building is Georgi place now. He wait me already. Hi Georgi. How are you? So you already one week in this place. About 1 week.
Yes.
It's good if not main road. If main road so noisy. But here it's okay. You can see Arayat. Living room. This is living room. Not living room. So it's kitchen. Kitchen also dirty here. Ah, you're not clean. But smell not good here.
Yes. Let's go.
No, I want to show. So this is bedroom. Small bedroom. Internet. Have internet also. And this what is CR. CR. Small CR. Georgi, don't have hot water? Have hot water? Don't have hot water, need to put heater. Georgi, how much you pay for this room? 7,800 peso. Do you like this apartment? Because you already, I moved you from Dao. Dao, what happened in Dao?
What happened?
Yeah, Dao, near Pure Gold, Baronessa place.
I already explained. Guys just go into this place and I cannot live. I cannot sleep. So I sleep in hotel. So it's impossible.
So Dao you can, that's why you move here to Mabalakat,
Yes,
center of
yes.
Mabalakat. It's about maybe 5 kilometers from the, or 7 kilometers from Angeles city.
It's 7 kilometers from the building from where guys come. And they come to this place also. 7 kilometers to the north. So sometimes it comes here.
But what you don't like in this apartment? What again, smell not good or what?
Yes, here smell from sewage system. I don't know, maybe it comes from here, from outside.
From ceiling,
Because,
roof ceiling?
Here I put everything.
But noisy also from construction
Yes,
workers
noisy,
here.
it's okay, but
So noisy, it's okay for you?
smell, it's impossible. Every morning I wake up with headache, so I only 1 week here and I need to change. So impossible.
So you want
It's
to,
better than another before. Before I cannot sleep because I feel ammonia and hydrogen sulfide. But here this swamp gases also not good.
so what planning now? Go to more far from the Angeles and Mabalakat?
Yes, because I was in Clark in last Saturday, and I also inhale these gases, so ammonia.
Even in Clark?
I try to find apartment in Deca Clark, and when I come to the office, phase 5 office, I feel ammonia inside, so I don't know how they stay there inside this office. But when I come, I understand I cannot, because in Clark also, because wind was from the east to the west, and Clark also contaminated area. So now I think I need to move to San Fernando, because San Fernando located to southeast.
Okay, Georgi, let's go to San
Okay.
Fernando. So we're going to San Fernando now. We will go to San Fernando right now, near SM Pampanga. I know good building, modern building. If he like, he will move to San Fernando. Because from San Fernando to Angeles it's easy. Have jeepney from SM Pampanga to SM Clark. It's half hour only and about 30 peso. So it's faster and not expensive. Only problem, don't have jeepney night time. This is apartment also good. Price is cheap. Location also good. Also this new building, maybe after few months they can open. Yeah, soon to rise. Do you know when already finish this building? When?
RGD,
Okay.
Romero,
No, when? I mean when? After 3 months, 5 months,
7 months.
after 7 months already open. Okay, thank you. Good building. Very close from MacArthur Highway. MacArthur Highway. You can see it's already MacArthur Highway. I filmed before. It's Mabalacat Museum and the police station also. So, have coffee shop. This is MacArthur Highway. This direction going to the Angeles City. And another Tarlac. You can go to Tarlac. Tarlac Conception. It's a good place. You see, it's very close from the road. Apartment. Georgi already here. So we'll use NLEX to San Fernando. It's church. I park car and this Azur North. Security.
ID sa in the lobby na lang. Second tower, sir.
Second
tower.
Second tower. Okay. Second. Here also have parking. Swimming pool. Gym also. Вот children have. So prohibited this one.
Lumalang ngayon. Aw.
Maybe lobby. Yes, lobby. Elevator. 3 elevator. Oh, foreigner also have it for Filipino. Maybe I know this foreigner. Georgis, you know this foreigner.
Message kayo yung sa vendor para kaya kayo.
Georgi new apartment now. Same apartment in this building you can rent from 15,000 to 23, 25. It's depend of furnish. So furnish apartment from up 20 and up 20,000, 20k. Unfurnished about 15,000 peso. So it's good price. I think it's good price for this building with security. Of course, need pay additional for electric, for water. Hi. Georgi, we will ask about trike, how to go to take trike to this tricycle driver. We will ask first. This is parking, free parking. And tricycle driver here. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Hello.
I want to ask how much to go to SM Pampanga from here.
From here, sir.
Yes.
This
How much?
Only 100.
100
pesos.
100 peso one way because
Yes.
my friend later he want to live here. If come back also 100
Ah,
the
yeah,
same
yeah, yeah.
because
Same.
sometimes tricycle drivers say one way 100 come back 1000.
No,
No, I
100 only.
okay, thank you for
Same,
information.
Same price.
Thank you very much, thank you. Home Depot Pampanga. It's already SM City Pampanga. We just park car in SM Pampanga and I will show where I can take jeepney to SM Clark. Second hand cars here for sale. Oh, for electric car charging station. Same city Pampanga, charging station. So, Sam Clark, jeepney here is first. Main gate is Sam Clark. You see, this is jeepney going to the SM Clark. So many people inside. Georgi, this is jeepney. Go to SM Clark. Excuse me, how much jeepney to SM Clark?
45.
45 peso. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. So, 45 peso. I working nighttime, don't have jeepney, nighttime.
Nighttime, last trip,
Last, what time?
9:30.
9:30,
Last trip.
last trip in morning when
4 a.m.
4 a.m.
Yes.
start from here.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So nighttime you cannot go to home. Waiting area here. Guagua.
Guagua.
Yeah.
Guagua, Lubao.
Lubao, okay.
And then that's it from the
Okay, thank you. Entrance SM City Pampanga. From 10 morning to 9. 9 p.m. already closed. Female, males. Good afternoon. Starbucks also have. Shocking. Popular. What you want? Smell not good for you? Again? Perfume or what?
Yes.
You don't like perfume, okay. Georgi, Philippine people like perfume. But you don't like? Okay. But I like perfume. Perfume for me is okay. Shaira like also perfume. Georgi, let's go to food court. In food court, maybe don't have perfume. Straight. So we're going to second floor to food court. Today many people. Georgi, let's go.
One rice, sir. Do you have smaller bill, sir? Do you have
Small adult.
Saka ano? Sa fried. Fried na. Yung sausawan.
Oh, Sky Ranch. How much Sky Ranch? 350. It's 350. It's for right all, yes?
Yes.
It's for 1 day.
Oh.
Huh?
One day pass.
1 day pass 350.
Yes.
Okay.
And all you can, sir.
Okay, okay. No, not now. But every day, working every day.
No, sir. Only weekends.
Only weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 3 days.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Many people today because Saturday 6 p.m. right now. But Georgi, not so many foreigner here. Not same like SM Clark. SM Clark everywhere foreigner, but here SM Pampanga. It's not so far. Sunset in Pampanga. Okay, Georgi, see you soon. You go to this bridge and